In this video, I will show how to convert rows into CSV using simple Excel function, and same method you can convert your column into CSV. I will show you one example for this row. There are two methods. First method, type here equal sign, type concat, double click on this concat. Now select your data. Now type AND on your keyboard or type this symbol. Now double quote, comma, and double quote, then closing bracket, and press enter. Second method, equal sign, type text join, now double quote, comma, double quote, comma. Now select any value, true to ignore empty cells and false to include empty cells. You can select any option from here, like true. Now comma, select your data, and closing bracket. So this is the complete formula. Text join, delimiter, so double quote, comma, ignore empty, so we select true, and text 1, we selected this data, then press enter. So same method guys you can try in column. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.